Hello everyone, today we're going to make very tasty and easy Hyderabadi Dum Biryani. So let's get started. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any new updates. I have taken 1 kilo of chicken. To it, I'm adding 1.5 tablespoon of ginger paste and 1.5 tablespoon of garlic paste. Adding 2 teaspoons of salt or as desired. Adding 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, 1.5 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of Chinese salt. If you're concerned about the health risk of Chinese salt, then you can skip this. I personally use it very rarely. This is one of the few recipes in which I use the Chinese salt. Adding 1 teaspoon of Garam Masala powder, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 10 Aloo Bukhara. I'm adding 2 out of the 3 large onions that I have fried. Adding 2 tablespoons of oil, 2 mild green chilies sliced, and mixing everything together. I'm boiling about 3 liters of water. To it, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and 3 green cardamom. Adding 4 teaspoons of salt, half tablespoon of lemon juice, and about 1 tablespoon of oil. Adding 3.5 cups of pre-soaked Sella basmati rice. Cook rice about 50% and strain the water. In a pot, add about 3 tablespoons of oil. To it, I'm adding 2 inch of cinnamon stick, 2 bay leaf, 1 black cardamom, 4 green cardamom, 2 star anise, 5 cloves, 10 black peppercorn, 1 tablespoon of black cumin seeds, and half teaspoon of nutmeg or jaifal powder. Now adding the marinated chicken. I'm only cooking this for 1 to 2 minutes. Adding 200 ml of water as we only cooked rice 50%. Adding the remaining 1 fried onion. Adding 2 sliced tomatoes. Note that the tomato will also release water. Adding some chopped coriander leaves and some chopped mint leaves. Adding some of the red food color that I had mixed with 2 tablespoons of water and 1 tablespoon of kevra water. Adding all of the rice. Adding the remaining of red food color and kevra water mixture. 2 tablespoons of ghee or clarified butter. Half teaspoon of saffron mixed in 2 tablespoons of milk. Topping off with some coriander leaves, mint leaves, and fried onions. Covering the pot with aluminum foil and creating a seal. I'm going to set my stove on high flame for 5 minutes, then switch it to low flame for 20 minutes. As you can see, all the water has been absorbed and the chicken is very well cooked. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to my channel.